What's good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video, and today we have the Cricut Joy Xtra, the newest machine in the Cricut line, and I think you guys are going to love this. Especially if you're new to Cricut, this is the perfect machine for you. It does so much and it has so many different options for you to get started. Especially if you're a beginner, you really don't need to know anything about crafting to get started with the Joy. So let's talk about the machine, talk about the materials, and everything that it can do. Okay guys, so this is the Joy Xtra. This machine is an upgrade from the Cricut Joy, and it has so many of the functionalities that we've all been asking for. If you are new to Cricut, I think this is going to be the perfect machine for you because it does pretty much everything. It cuts, foils, draws. You have the ability to be able to use print and cut with this machine, which is amazing. You can make stickers, t-shirts, tons of different projects, especially if you're a beginner. You don't need any knowledge to get started with this machine. Between the Cricut Joy Xtra and Design Space, you can get up and running immediately. So let's talk about the machine, let's talk about what it comes with and how you can get started super easily. Whether you are an OG Cricut user or you're new to the game, our Cricut comes with our handy dandy Cricut envelope, which I like to call it, and it comes with the fine point blade in the housing and some materials to get started. So I'm going to talk to you about what comes in this envelope, how you can get set up, and how you can get started with your Cricut Joy. Okay guys, so with the Cricut Joy Xtra, you get your introductory user guide, you also get your fine point blade in the housing for it, and you also get your Cricut Joy Xtra pin. It comes with also some materials for you to get started, which is great, so you can make your first projects right out of the box. This machine has so many capabilities that we've all been wanting. With this Cricut Joy Xtra, you can use regular size printer paper to use it for print and cut, so that allows you to make stickers, labels, and using only your home printer. So nothing extra has to be purchased when you want to use that print and cut. You can use your home printer and get up and started. This machine is perfect for the beginner, and I love it because you don't have to have any knowledge with Cricut to get this up and running. Just open the box, download Design Space, and you can use one of Cricut's pre-made designs to get started in making with this Cricut Joy Xtra. So let's get into the materials, what I think you guys should be making with this machine, and how amazing and compact this new Cricut Joy Xtra is. Okay guys, so with the Joy Xtra, you can cut 8.5 by 11 paper to use for print and cut, which is amazing. You can use print and cut with this machine, and you can use your home inkjet printer. Also, you can cut up to 4 feet long of smart materials with this machine, so you can make those larger projects and do them all in one, which I think is amazing, especially for such a compact machine like this Joy Xtra. And it's so easy to learn. Cricut comes with the easy to set up guide, so that is super simple, and it comes right with your Joy Xtra machine. And once you get in Design Space, there's so many pre-made templates and items that you can use that are easy to edit and easy for you to make your first project. So let's talk about the materials, what you can do with this machine, and how I can see you new users or seasoned users on how you can use this machine. The Joy Xtra can cut up to 50 materials, and those include iron-on, printable vinyl, that includes sticker paper, that includes cardstock, that includes card inserts. This machine can pretty much do so many projects that this is perfect for the beginner to want to get started. If you want to make hats, if you want to make t-shirts, if you want to make stickers, if you want to personalize anything that you have in your home, whether it's jars, book bags, this machine is perfect for that, and it takes up so little real estate that it's perfect for the beginner and the person who really wants to get started with Cricut. What's beautiful about the Joy Xtra is that it comes with the only blade that you need. The fine point blade is the only thing that you'll need to cut all the materials that are available for this machine, which is amazing. So some things you need to know about the Cricut Joy Xtra is you can make Cricut's most popular projects with this machine, whether it's full color stickers, whether it's t-shirts, customizable projects, or if you want to label items in your home, whether it's spices, jars, whatever you want to label in your home, this machine is going to be able to do that for you. It's especially special for people who want to get started and don't have much experience but want to know more and want to get into the Cricut crafting world. What's perfect about the Joy Xtra is this can fit anywhere, whether it's on your kitchen table, in the office, and on your bedroom. You don't need a crafting room to use this machine. The real estate on it is so small, but it's so mighty in all the projects that you can make. And I think that's one of my favorite parts about it. You don't need a crafting room for this. You don't need a special space. You can just put this out on your kitchen table and craft projects right there with you, yourself, your family, or whatever you want to make Cricut projects for. This is perfect, especially because, again, the real estate on this is so small that you don't need a dedicated space to be able to craft with Cricut, this Cricut Joy Xtra. So the Cricut Joy Xtra can cut so many different types of materials, whether it's printable sticker paper, printable vinyl, printable waterproof sticker sets, printable iron-on, smart labels, smart writable vinyl, smart iron-on. It can use so many different types of materials, as well as it has the light grip mat, standard grip mat, and the card mat, and there fits all the available Cricuts and sizes. So that is amazing. Okay guys, so we talked about everything this machine can do and the materials. Now let's talk about price. The Joy Xtra is coming in at $199, which is the perfect price for crafters to get started in making whatever craft that you want to with this machine. It has so many capabilities. It has a perfect compact size and the perfect price point that will allow you to get started working with Cricut without any experience whatsoever. Okay guys, so this was the Joy Xtra. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I think this is a perfect machine and an upgrade from the Cricut Joy. It gives you all that functionality you need with print and cut, allows you to use printer size paper. It cuts up to 50 materials. It draws, foils, and cuts, which is perfect. And I think that it has all-in-one, especially for a new Cricut user. And the price point is amazing for this, and it doesn't take up any real estate. You don't need a craft room or anything like that. You can literally start crafting from your kitchen table. So I think with the Joy Xtra, it's just a perfect machine. Let me know what you guys think down below. Will you be purchasing the Joy Xtra? And just your opinions on the whole machine and what you guys think about it. I hope you enjoyed this video and the unboxing and the unveiling of the Cricut Joy Xtra. We're going to see more with this machine. So I hope you see you guys soon on this next video that I'm going to be making. I'm going to be making a project with the Joy Xtra. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.